The Carlsbro CLUB100 electronic drum set offers a compact 5-pad and 2-pedal layout that fits comfortably into small practice spaces without feeling cramped to play. Its Commander 100 sound module provides a generous library of high-quality percussion voices, preset kits, and user slots, so beginners and experienced drummers can shape very different sound palettes. The responsive rubber pads and separate hi-hat controller give a surprisingly natural feel for dynamics and timing, which helps new players develop proper technique. Built-in coaching tools like the adjustable metronome, demo songs, and record and playback function make this kit especially useful for structured practice and self-evaluation. Connectivity is well thought out, with headphone, line, auxiliary, and MIDI outputs that let you practice silently, jam with backing tracks, or integrate the kit into a recording or live setup. The lightweight rack and included accessories such as the height-adjustable stand and drumsticks make the CLUB100 easy to transport and quick to assemble for home, rehearsal, or small stage use.